we're laughing because, you know, the topic that we're going to discuss, our issue that, the issue that we're going to discuss today is very important. Okay, so, as the affirmative speaker, or rather as the first speaker of the affirmative side, it is my job to lay down the position, the position of of our side, and it's also part of my job to give the proposal of our side and to define to set the parameters to define the important terms in this debate. To start with, so given the motion that the turncoatism of HLC is bad for the showbiz industry, I see that there are two important terms that we have to define here. First is turncoatism, and second is showbiz industry. Now, to start with turncoatism, according to local political science scholars, turncoatism simply means the tendency or the action of one politician or one person to transfer from one party to another, so from one political affiliation to another, without due regard to his or her values or to the values of the political party or the institution from which came from. And primarily the motive, the intention of the person is his personal interest. And showbiz industry here, of course, everyone knows, refers to the industry that employs our actors and actresses. And within the context of the issue of Angel of Sin, we define turncoatism as the turncoatism is committed by Angel of Sin as it simply means that, of course, we're going to consider it as an act of turncoatism, transferring from GMA 7 to Channel 2. Now, we are not in favor of the action committed by Angel of Sin on two grounds. First is that it should be prohibited because it violates the supposedly ethics and morals of our actors and actresses. And second is that on economic grounds, simply because the networks have already invested a huge amount of money for these talents. Now, on the first ground, on morality, we shouldn't allow these actors and actresses to just transfer from one side to another or from one network to another, because they are not setting a good example, not just to our televiewers or fans, but also to other actors and to other talents. We should look forward. We should look we should look forward to the days when we should long for our past, meaning we should yearn for our past, for people, talents like transfer from one to another. Now, on economic ground, so the issue here is on loyalty. We should not set aside loyalty for self-interest. Now, on economic grounds, as I was telling you, we should be giving these networks their return in terms of their investment that they have poured out for the growth of these talents. Remember that when these talents came in, when they were still new, they had to be trained and developed, and this would entail a huge amount of funds. Now, they should at least be paid back by the talents before they get out of that network. And our proposal, of course, is for Angel of Sin and the others who would dare commit such act to be banned from appearing in public. So they should be banned. And with that, I end my...